Hello students, good morning all of you. This is the test 4 of structural organization animals. Okay, this test comprises 15 bits. To answer these 15 bits, mucus secreting cells of epithelial tissue are termed as mucus secreting cells of epithelial tissues are termed as mast cells, zymogen cells, plasma cells, goblet cells. Second one, the type of cell junctions that prevent leakage of body fluids are tight junctions, desmosomes, gap junctions, anchoring junctions. And here comes the third one. Okay, this is the second one. This is the third one. The type of cell junction that act as rivets binding the cells into sheets are tight junctions, gap junctions, desmosomes, occluding junctions. Fourth one. Desmosomes are anchored in the cytoplasm by microtubules made up of tubulin, intermediate filaments made of actin, microfilaments made of keratin, intermediate filaments made of keratin. Desmosomes are anchored in the cytoplasm by. Okay, this is the fifth one. Gap junctions are anchoring junctions, adhesion junctions, communicating junctions, occluding junctions. Okay, this is the sixth one. These are comparable to plasmodesmata between the adjacent which of the following can be comparable to the plasmodesmata between the adjacent plant cells? Communicating junctions, adhesion junctions, anchoring junctions, tight junctions. Here comes the seventh one. Glandular epithelium is formed by cuboidal or columnar, columnar or squamous, squamous or cuboidal, squamous cells only. Okay, this is the eighth one. The pancreatic ducts are lined by stratified columnar epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, transitional epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium. And this is the ninth one. In the cells of the simple squamous epithelium, the nucleus is. In the cells of simple squamous epithelium, the nucleus is oval and basal, spherical and central, ovoid and central, spherical and basal. This is the 10th one. In the cells of simple cuboidal epithelium, the nucleus is. In the cells of simple cuboidal epithelium, the nucleus is central and spherical, basal and oval, central and ovoid, basal and spherical. And this is the 11th one. Okay, in the nephron, the simple cuboidal epithelium without breast border, microvilli, lines. In the nephron, simple cuboidal epithelium without breast border lines which part? Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, distal descending limb of loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. Okay, this is the 12th one. Ciliated simple columnar epithelium lines. Ciliated simple columnar epithelium lines. Stomach, bronchi, trachea, bronchioles. Stomach, bronchi, trachea, bronchioles. 13th one. The central canal of the spinal cord and ventricles of the brain are lined by. The central canal of spinal cord and ventricles of the brain are lined by simple cuboidal epithelium, non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium, ciliated simple columnar epithelium, and simple squamous epithelium. Simple cuboidal epithelium, non-ciliated simple columnar epithelium, ciliated simple columnar epithelium, and simple squamous epithelium. And 14 and 15. The larger ducts of salivary glands are lined by. The larger ducts of salivary glands are lined by. The larger ducts of salivary glands are lined by stratified columnar epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium, transitional epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium. Last one, 15th one. Stereocilia are seen in epidermis and urinary bladder. And next one, ureters and internal ear, epidermis and internal ear, and internal ear and middle ear. Okay, these are the 15 questions. Answer these 15 questions.